Hello, my name is Mr. Pascal. I'm here today to guide you on communication. Can you say communication? Very good. What is communication? Communication is a way of passing information from one place to another, from one point to another. In communication, we have two means. The first means of communication is old or traditional, and the second one is the new means of communication or the modern means of communication. Now, the traditional means of communication was used long time ago. This was used long time ago in ancient times. We are going to see some of the examples or some of the means of communication that were used long time ago and those that are used nowadays. Long time ago, people were communicating. Don't think that they were not communicating. They were communicating. How were they communicating? By using various vessels or various means, various instruments. The first one that they used was a horn. A horn has a hole at the end. Now this horn was used for communication. How was this horn used for communication? It was used when there was danger, when the person, when there was death in a village, or when the house caught fire. They could blow this horn and then people will get the information, war will get the information. Another means of communication that was used long time ago is a bell. A bell was also used to inform people of various things. Another one was a drum. A drum was also a means of communication that was used long time ago, especially during celebrations. Harvesting, they could use a drum. Another means of communication that was also used long time ago is smoke. Smoke. Now, this smoke was used to signal or to give a signal from people who were living very far. When there was this smoke, it could tell something is happening somewhere, so people will go there and see what is all about. These are some of the examples or some of the things that were used for communication at the traditional level. Now, new means of communication or modern means of communication, these ones are now the ones that we use nowadays, like a phone, a telephone, we have a radio, we have a television, we have a newspaper, we have a letter, we have a poster or posters, and so many more. There are so many posters and many more. So these ones are means of communication that are nowadays being used regarding, or if we compare from these traditional ones. Now, nowadays, if you want to call somebody, or if you want to inform somebody of something, we'll just use automatically a telephone. You call the person, you download the number, call the person, then inform the person of what is happening or what you want to tell him. A radio also gives information through broadcasting. We also see pictures, motion pictures and sound through the television. We read newspapers all over. A letter This one is sent through the post office. And then we have posters. These ones are put at various areas to maybe advertise or give information of various things. Now, when you look at this, a horn, maybe I can say a horn is like a phone nowadays. A whistle. We also have a whistle here. A whistle was also used a long time ago, but then this whistle is also used nowadays. We also have a bell nowadays. Okay, these ones are just there, but they are not termed as new means of communication. They are all means of communication, only that they are there currently, but they are not at this or under the category of modern means of communication. So, dear pupil, you have seen, we have seen, do more practice, differentiate between a phone and a bell, between a newspaper and a drum, okay? Though we also have drums nowadays, okay? So some of these ones are just there for remembrance, but they are not really in the modern means of communication. Thank you very much.